Is it working? Hello? Don't know how to make it work. Okay. Oh no. It's a bit rainy today. Me and my friend here have just sat around for a little bit trying to wait for the rain to stop. It has not stopped. There does it. Yeah, nice mate, nice. It should stop soon though. Like surely this can't go on forever. It's a bit thunderstormy. I think it's a change of season today. Got old mate in the fucking rear vision right there. Got this old beast out. I love the sound of this bike, it just sounds so good. It's got a Yoshimura AT2 in it. It's quite the exhaust. Sounds like a fucking... I don't even know how you would explain the sound of it. It's like a throaty, just a really nice angry exhaust. But it's not too angry where it's like obnoxious. And the quick shift pops are quite nice too. Oh, it's going. Yeah, nice. It's a little bit drizzly. Got the burst to protect us. Keep my hand on the grip so they stay dry. The only thing about people in Australia, when they see a drop of water on the road, they start driving like absolute morons. There's no like scientific evidence of this, but it is absolute facts. Today we're driving up the coast, making a few pit stops along the way, get a feed, have a drink. Let's enjoy the day. I actually don't even mind this weather. It's not torrential rain. They're just really big drops. So it's not horrible. But I guess we're gonna have a couple of sun showers, or I mean, it's a bit doom and gloomy, but it is what it is. Probably, I don't know if like it's good fishing when it's choppy out there, but I think it'd be kind of fun fishing in the rain. Get a bit of action going. I'm also not sure how the wind's going to go today. I will definitely try the mic cover later on. I thought I'd give a little snippet of what the bike sounds like. Today we're riding a 2024 Yamaha XSR900 GP. This thing's it's a fun bike. Oh, that line was terrible. It's been good. It's got some nice features on it. There's some that are silly. I mean, this thing's got GPS, which is nice and all, but the way you have to set it up is quite ridiculous. You have to have it's a Garmin app. Can't remember which Garmin app it is off the top of my head because I don't use it. Oh, sick stopping. But it's also a bit hilarious because riding the dirt bike for weeks and weeks now, doing a shakedown on that, and coming back to this bike, which is pretty much brand new. We've got oh, that's cruise control. We have 9,200 Ks on it, nothing crazy. I don't recall there being 9,200 Ks on it, but It is what it is. Make sure my mate's not there. This roundabout is notoriously bad. It's so, I don't know why, but it's so bad. It can be one of the slipperiest things you've ever seen. Maybe we'll find some Golfs today. They do love a good race for no reason whatsoever. I'll let it go. My mate's behind me. Thing's pretty clapped out. It's probably his hunting rig. It's got a downrange sticker on the back. Shout out to the local firearm shop. They're actually great people. I've dealt with them myself and they're insanely nice. Their customer service is honestly great and it's a nice thing. It's kind of rare getting good customer service, but there's a few places. Went to get some supplies for a overnight hike that I'm going on soon, and the store I went to for that was Survival Supplies Australia, and they're much the same. There's all personal notes in the order. Just super nice people, just doing their thing. Not gonna lie, this is probably it's probably one of them. Oh, what is happening? What? It's so shit too, because I had a nice waterproof jacket which was lightweight and everything. Couldn't find it. So currently getting a bit wet. But oh my god, there's so much water. But it's kind of nice. You know, the bike's 85. Just living the dream. Some nice houses down here. I mean, they got a good view. You kind of want to live in somewhere nice. But yeah. My mate here is riding a... If you come up, come up, cunt. He's riding the CBR 650R in about as good as a tire as I am. If you've ever ridden one of those, they're a lot of fun. They absolutely scream. He got that one cheap from a mate, and I think he's done a bit of work here and there to it. He's pretty handy with his tools. I just got my feet from that puddle just then got slapped. Not even I got like, I don't know if they're like suede or like a pleather, I don't know. They're a Vans shoe, but they got they're like a rough, what's that smell? Like a rough what is this car in front of us? A rough texture to them. This is cooked. This is so cooked. What are we doing? It's just getting soaked. Next place we go to, like, yeah, we just want to get some lunch and a drink, and they'll be like, no, you're not coming in, you're fucking soaking wet. I should have wore a different jacket. I should have. It's just dripping. It's just saturated. But the rear tire on this bike's handling well. It's Diablo Rosso 3. These things come with Bridgestone S23s, but weirdly the profile on the tyre didn't actually allow the speedo to match. So I went up maybe like 10. If you go 10 across, What, mate? Use your fucking indicator. To go 10 across. Was it 10 across? It was like a 180 to 190. I'm not sure if that's across or not. Oh, mate's going for it too. Probably thought there was a gap. No, we're both wrong. But yeah, going up a slight size in tyre has allowed it to actually read properly. Because before it was about 7 k's out, but I think it's about 2 or 3 now. So way more accurate. Phone's just getting absolutely demolished by this rain. Hold on, I might just put that in my back pocket because it's an iPhone. It probably won't work in a short period of time if I keep it in the water. It's not a very good iPhone either. But yeah, it's quite. This is so cooked. I feel more sorry for my mate though, because he has to ride an hour back home, which is fucked. And if he's riding into that storm, I don't think there's any way of getting out of it. It's like, it's nice to see there's a few other people that are just as dumb as us out here. A lot of people probably, it's like the last place we went into, some of these older boys were just like, great day for a ride. It's like, yeah, it looked that way. It definitely, like, where's that? Can that just move over here so it's not pissing down all the bloody time? There's lightning up ahead of us. It's one of these times where I'm just like, why do I do the things I do? Hell, at the next stop, I might even ask them for a trash bag. It's like, this is horrible. I don't know how English people deal with this shit. They probably are much more prepared for it than I am right now. I was saying to my mate as well, I think this is the changeover of the seasons. Let me just pull my visor down a little more. The changeover to the seasons where in Australia we get a slight change to seasons. It's happening a lot later in the year, but it's happening nonetheless. Everyone's looking at us like, you fucking good cats. We usually do it, like, usually happens October, November, not freaking this late into December. I honestly feel like we're making days better when people look at us though, because they're probably just thinking, what a bunch of fucking idiots. Like, what are you doing? I want to see if this tire's gonna slip. No. I don't know, I don't even have a fucking... I bet if I turn some of the stuff off, like maybe if I look at the screen, that's not even like activating any of the slips. This thing has so many damn controls for anti-slip and angles and all the rest of it. Dude, I just gave him a thumbs down because holy shit, I think we're both retarded. It seemed like a good choice at the time. The weather said it would go away by 4. It is now 4 o'clock. Will the bike slip on full throttle? Yes. The crazy thing is, it didn't even activate any of the slip controls. I thought uphill it might do it a bit easier. It's warming up the tyres, you know. Some of these roads though, the tarmac they use is far different to other places. Oh, he's gonna follow me over. As Uncle Roger would say, "Warrior!" I think the rev matching with the clutch is like way easier. Like the downshift on the quick shifter is not bad, but it's not good. It's very jerky. So you see some of these like newer bikes and it's just butter. Dude, this is fucked. This is cooked. What's a current up? Well, the pub's just down there. The pub's just down there. It's up to you. I don't mind. Are you getting hot? Is it getting hot? Is your bike getting hot? What? Is it hot? What's he saying? Come on, bro, we're both saturated. Might as well commit now. Honestly. Got some nice lightning in the background. Is it getting hot?
No, it's cooling down.
Oh, yeah, there's steam coming off it. Mine's sitting like 15 degrees under what it normally does.
Hey?
Mine's sitting 15 under what it normally does. I'm also probably 15 under what my skin temperature is too.
What?
Gotta be careful now, I know she's a slippery girl. And you were saying about pulling over, but can't deny I do not like shopping centres. Too many people. They're all like headless chickens too. They're just kind of existing in a space. So if I go to a shopping centre, it's either in and out, or I'll find like a standalone shop that does click and collect. Because, yeah, I'd rather just not. I know he didn't want to say it, but I think I think he's feeling a little bit miserable right now. So let's try and get out of this rain. Go, maybe not warm my little fingertips up, but yeah, let's get out of the rain for a little bit. Be beneficial at least. There's a few places we can go down here. Got some like a bit of food, some cold stuff on tap. Also I apologise for clearing my throat. It's yeah, I don't know, I'm a bit croaky. I always sound like shit. Yeah, come on mate, come on. I feel like I was just like mustering up an animal there. It's okay, little animal, you can come over. It's not bad. Big scary motorcycle won't hurt you. He was probably thinking about the underground car park, to be completely honest. The wetness. Oh no! That was in neutral. Oh no! It keeps happening. I'm a serial clutch offender. I know. I was literally just saying that. Dude, there's underground parking here too. It just costs money. No, I'm not fucking paying for it. The only thing is, this is a nicer spot. We can give your burgers a taste test around too. They failed the first time. You know those burgers you said were incredible, but it was too busy?
What?
Do you remember those burgers you said that were incredible?
Yeah.
And I was like, this is subpar, and you're like, oh, it's busy. We can find out today. We can see if that's true. For all I know, it might have just been a missed hit. It's got the sliders and the Mivy on there. It's so funny when people like work out and stuff and just like don't wear clothes. I'm gonna go in this place so fucking wet. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's go. Wouldn't be Australia without people doing skids. I know law enforcement doesn't like it, but the general population, I'd say majority do. So, they should, see, look, even someone's repping the Bunnings umbrella. I'm just glad we're not the only fucking idiots hit, like, on bikes over here, you know? Oh my god, look at this disgusting water. Oh, don't make me stop, I'm going so slow. Oh, we going? Nah. Fucking hell. I'm gonna look through his car. Just can't see otherwise. Oh yeah, that spot's mine. Hey, he chose a good day to go on jet ski. It's like a sea motorcycle. Old mate and his jet ski. Huh? Alright, next pit stop.